She's out of it. Oh my God!
Another one. Give me another one.
Triple H for another pedigree.
And a choke slam on the nature. No. And Kane. Oh, sending Ric Flair. Caught by the throat. No. Choke slam to hell. On Triple H.
Downstairs goes a 10th, and wait, he's trying to...
Give it to him. He got him. He got him.
Flair wants to fight. Oh. My God, what?
Then what think he is? Whoa. Right in the heart of Flair.
Shades of the... Michaels' body is...
Not again.
Out of nowhere.
Uh-oh.
How about a little luck?
Sweet chin music.
Sweet chin music. Ooh. He's going to try it, though. He won after this.
Flair, look... Oh. Clark with a spear on the...
Wait a minute, ref.
I think referee... No! And now, with the Flair, goes down back to Shawn Michaels. You know what's next.
Oh, no. You're right, because I think... Oh, what's the spear?
The spear.
High impact. And Orton now, trying to fight back up. RKO! RKO! Nate is in...
Don't turn around. Don't turn around.
He's that frog splasher.
Five-star frost.
He got him.
Oh, the referee avoided that. There's what aiming right for the referee. Oh, the low blow. And the rock lifts back up. Yeah! World champion looking on. Oh, the Batista bomb. Oh, no. Orton flies off Kane's chest. And oh, no. And Orton. Oh, the RKO. Man. Randy Air and Hogan. Put the nature ball away. Man, we are down to the bottom line of the throat.
He's still feeling the effects of that.
Huge man. Oh, no.
Austin downstairs.
He's got the figure four on. Oh, no, no.
And
KO.
five-star from.
This is hatred is what this is. Wait.
Sweet him music. And more importantly, the Raw locker room's going to have to deal with. There's a tag. I don't think that's a legal tag.
I don't think so either.
There's a five-star. Crazy. Edge's elevation.
Oh, no, Nate.
And now the spear.
Benoit, I can't believe it.
There's a double spear.
Booker T slides back in. Now Booker T.
Look at him.
Oh, Booker T.
And Chip felt his fingertips.
Oh, no, wait a minute. That's enough. Oh.
See an arm again.
Oh, no, not sweet chin music. And illegally as well.
Benoit. Orton was knocked out. RKO. To deliver some sweet chin music. Oh, bang. Into the eye. An MVP. The Playmaker. He belongs on SmackDown. And
Don't turn around. Don't turn around.
setting for the 3D.
You say 1, 2, 3.
It's going to be over. Frog splash. Into referee Bischoff. And the spear by Edge. That's the eye. An MVP. The Playmaker.
Yeah, he's styling that profile.
Oh, wait. Oh, to this start the picture at some point as well. But look out here.
Look out.
Choke slam. Spear. Little champion. Flair goes face first into the turnbuckle. The spear.
Do some serious damage with the chair. Like, whoa. An absolute must-win situation. Pedigree. But there's no instant replay.
Oh, there you go.
Wait a minute.
Just stay quick.
This precedes one thing, and it's not good news.
Spear. I'm going with Tommy Dreamer.
Well, he's back. Oh, the five-star. That spear may take the edge. Oh, that could be Randy Orton.
King. Wait a minute. Shawn Michaels. Shawn Michaels signing that sweet chin.
The whole player. Mick Foley with a mouth. Oh, man. Austin. Flair the thumb to the eye. Orton caught Flair the thumb to the eye. RKO on Flair.
Says, swing it. Another third pedigree. No. time. I don't think Ric's going to be able to move out of the way.
The stunner on Anderson. And now the stunner on the Nature Boy. Paul, been rolling out of the pinning combination there. And the spear by Ed Flair.
Uh-oh.
Sweet chin music.
Oh, Flair is just loyal. He was trying to do anything to take the fight. No!
And Michaels now. The sweet chin music on 1 second. One shot. And there it is. Austin style. No. RKO. Suddenly.
Batista bomb.
The Batista bomb. The sit down.
In this thing. Oh, no. Angle slam.
A modified version of the angle. Setting the figure 4 leg. Oh, the spear. Edge getting the spear. Oh, RKO.
No. Get away, Triple H. Hurting. Look out, Nate. No. Belly to back, soups and rights and chops. And no. Pedigree.